Here's the TAGRY X08 earbuds. I'm going to show you how to pair and connect these directly to a MacBook or iMac via Bluetooth. So the first thing is, let's put these into pairing mode. Okay, so go ahead and take the earbuds out. As soon as you take it out, wait for a few seconds, and after a few seconds, if it's in pairing mode, you'll know if one of these is blinking blue, red, blue, red, blue, red. I'm not getting any blue, red on here, and the reason is because I'm actually connected to a different device here. So let me go to this, it's connected to my iPhone here. Let me go to my iPhone here. Let me go to Bluetooth, settings, Bluetooth, and you can see it's connected here, okay? So for me to put this in pairing mode, I can turn off Bluetooth, or I can disconnect or remove it from the pairing list, or I can reset these to put these in pairing mode, okay? If I do any of those, then these will automatically go into pairing mode. So I'm just gonna turn off Bluetooth, and as soon as I turn that off, now look at the earbud. You see one of them that's blinking blue, red, blue, red, blue, red. Now let's hurry up and go to our MacBook here, and we're going to go to the settings here. So we're going to go up to the Apple logo, top left hand side, and we're going to go down to system settings right there. And then just make sure you select Bluetooth there. Make sure Bluetooth is turned on, and then we're going to scroll down here. And now see that little spinny thing? It's searching for devices that's in pairing mode that is near me, and it did find the X08s right there. I'm going to go ahead and connect. And voila, you can see now we're connected, ready to go. Now, if you had any kind of issues, you couldn't put it in pairing mode or problems connecting, you can always factory reset these. If you need to do that, look below in the link in the description area.